Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an incredible opportunity from Google. Google has announced an incredible opportunity for the Student Internship Program 2025. The name of the internship program is Software Student Training in Engineering Program, which is STEP. STEP Intern 2025, Google has announced yesterday. And the location of this internship program is multiple location in India, Bengaluru, Karnataka, India, Hyderabad, and Telangana. So these are the multiple locations. This STEP internship 2025 Google has been offered it. If you are interested for this internship, let's see what are the eligibility criteria of this internship program. The Google Summer Internship Program will start in the month of May 2025, and the total duration of this internship program is 10 to 12 weeks. And you have an opportunity to share your preferred working location for the internship opportunities. It could be Bangalore, it could be Hyderabad, or it could be Telangana, or it could be Pune, or it could be Maharashtra. These are the available options for this internship opportunities. And what are the minimal qualification of this internship opportunity? Currently enrolled bachelor program, and especially you should have a computer science engineering, or it could be related field. It could be information technology, or it could be computer science and business system, or artificial intelligence and data science department, or artificial intelligence ML department. Those people, they can enroll for this program. And you should have an experience in one or more general purpose programming language. The suggested general purpose programming language could be C++, Java, and Python. And you have to communicate more frequently in English, and you should be an active participation in all the technical discussions from Google. So these are the minimal qualification of the STEP internship program. And what about the preferred qualification of the STEP internship program? When it comes to the preferred qualification of this internship program, currently enroll in the full-time degree program and returning to the program after the completion of this internship. And this particular internship is 10 to 12 week internship program between May and August 2025. The exact date will be announced later point in time. And you should have an excellent programming skills. It could be a Java, or it could be Python, or it could be C++. These are the preferred qualification skills. If you're interested for this opportunity of this internship program, please click the apply button to apply for this internship program. For such type of internship program, please do visit my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Start with Jana. Start with Jana is my YouTube channel. I'll be posting videos related to internship, scholarship, as well as latest trending technology updates, free certification updates, and the hackathon challenges, coding challenges. All these programs, I have curated a playlist accordingly. Please do visit my playlist. This playlist may have the latest trending technology updates, scholarship updates, internship updates, your free certification opportunity updates, coding challenges, hackathon challenges. If you have any of your friends need such type of help, ask your friends to see my playlist. And please pass this information and share this information to your friends, colleagues, neighbors, your lovable ones. They will also get benefited from this playlist. And if you have want to see the latest trending technology updates, please do visit my shorts. All these shorts of 1 minute duration. You will be super duper technical geeks if you're looking at all these shorts program, because it's a 1 minute duration. You will have a cutting edge technology updates will be there in the shorts video. Thank you so much for your extended help and support. And please support me in this journey. Please share this information. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more updates.